learn to make paper tulips in easy way. Take one sheet and cut the 4 squares. Now take one square fold it in half along the center line by bringing the bottom corner on top of the corner. Fold the triangle in half and mark the center of the base of the triangle. Open the triangle up. Use its center mark to fold the left corner towards the top. Repeat for the other side. You have to do the same for other 3 squares. Now take one sheet of green paper and cut the strips. Fold the paper like this and cut the leaves. Now take one sheet of white color, then paste the tulips along with the strips. Paste green leaves. Well, your paper tulips is ready.